Hi, this is Dr. Raj here from DentalCare4U. I wanted to talk about a concern that came up, and that was about our fees. Let me mention to our patients, past, present, and future, that you're not a number. At DentalCare4U, each one of us here cares about your oral health. Make sure that you have a healthy mouth from all perspectives, no exceptions. DentalCare4U implements the best technology, latest equipment, as well as we're trying to even implement newer things such as airways, making sure that our patients are breathing properly at night. It's one of those silent diseases that they're at present. So I just want to let everybody know that this is our goal, making sure that you're not a number, you're treated completely, you get the full care that you need from start to finish, that really want their mouth healthy and happy and get the personalized service that they get and not being rushed in and out of the office. If you still have any concerns or questions, call the office at this number below, 708-333-2213. and ask that I want to talk to Dr. Raj. I had some concerns, and you'll be routed to me right away, or maybe at the end of the business day, I'll give you a personal call and discuss what your concerns are. My job is to make sure that you get the best care possible, answer all your questions, you're comfortable and healthy and happy. That's all I want to make sure let that get across to everybody. Thank you for your time.